Guess what I got? I ordered Beyonce's vinyl of Renaissance Act 1 back in July, and what's wild is this October. What happened to the year? Time is flying. What happened to this week? First of all, I don't even know what happened this week. The goods are here and I'm about to open it up. Okay. It's real thick for this to be a vinyl, but I know it ain't nothing but air in here. Wait a minute now. Oh my God. This is nice. This is really a collectible. I don't know what I was expecting. This is my first vinyl, so I thought it was just gonna come in a sleeve or something, or maybe I didn't because I ordered it back in July, so I forgot what I thought I was thinking. But this is so nice. Like, do I even want to open it? I kind of don't want to take the plastic off. I'm gonna do it though. I can buy some more plastic. Cause I don't have a record player. First of all, I don't have a record player and I don't intend to get one. But I felt like this was just such a unique item, and the photography. This is some good plastic. This is that Beyonce plastic, okay? There we go. Wow. Oh my God, I regret taking it out already. I got fingerprints on it. Oh no. Oh, I'm gonna have to, I don't know where I'm gonna put this, because this is, this is already too much. What am I doing? Ah! This is what I wanted. This is, don't I look like Beyonce a little bit? Oh, this is nice. I don't even care about the record. That's cool, but the photos, Jesus. And the booklet, we gonna get to that though. Ooh! Oh, this is wild. This is what I want to see. This is what I want to see. Like, and obviously the records are in here, okay? Y'all know that. I'm not even, well, since we're here, I might as well. Nice, nice. Y'all, I just feel like I need to put this back where I got it, because it's getting dirty already. I don't even want my fingerprints on it. I'm not doing anything with these. Like, literally, I'm just gonna have this in my room in plastic. It's a nice vinyl. Fan me off, I'm hot, hot, hot. Okay. This here. Ooh. That's cute or whatever. You know what? I just said I need something to hang over my wall by my bed. And this might be the one. I don't know if I want Beyonce looking at me in my sleep though. Something about that don't sit right with my spirit. But this is cute. This is real cute. And this is what the girls came for. The girls being me. The photo book. Yes, I will cherish this book forever. It has the same thing that she put on her website, introducing Act 1. Ooh, it's got the lyrics on here too. You know love is my weakness. Yes. She's a god. She's a hero. She survived all all she been through. Confident, yeah, she leaves her. Ooh. Wait a minute now. I don't know what range that was. Come on, alien superstar. I'm the bar. Alien superstar. Whip, whip. I feel like falling in love. Yes. Cuff it, cuff it, cuff it, cuff it, baby. You better put that plastic on the sofa. Yes. Oh, this is what I came for. This is what I came for. I might have to get we don't know what Act 2 is going to be yet, but I might have to get the vinyl for Act 2 if it's coming like this. I really just want the book. I love the book. And that's it. That is the Renaissance Act 1 vinyl. I've already messed it up, so I need to figure out what I'm about to do with this because I don't want no dust, dirt, debris getting on this at all. I will be sharing this with my grandchildren. Did y'all get your vinyls? Leave a comment, let me know. Also, if you got any suggestions for how I could store something like this, just to keep it from getting messed up, scratched up. Do they have vinyl record cases, stuff like that? Let me know, leave a comment, and tell me all about it.